Welcome back to FactFrenzy, your go-to channel for mind-bending facts. Today, we're diving into the realm of randomness with 15 facts that are guaranteed to blow your mind. From the bizarre to the unbelievable, get ready to have your perception of the world shaken to its core. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss out on our fascinating content. Let's get started. Number 1. The entire internet weighs as much as a strawberry. Information is stored in electrons, and electrons have a tiny amount of mass when you add up the mass of all the electrons used to store. The entire internet is roughly equivalent to the mass of a medium-sized strawberry. Number 2. Did you know that there are more possible iterations of a game of chess than there are atoms in the observable universe? Chess is a game of strategy and skill, and there are so many possible moves and variations. It has been played for over 1,500 years, and the game's complexity and strategic depth have led to its enduring popularity. The number of possible positions and moves in a game of chess is estimated to be around 10 to the power of 120, which is more than the number of atoms in the observable universe. Number 3. Mars' Olympus Mons is the largest volcano in the solar system. The massive Martian mountain towers high above the surrounding plains of the red planet and may be biding its time until the next eruption. Towering roughly 2.5 times the height of Mount Everest, Olympus Mons sits on the equatorial region of the planet Mars. A massive shield volcano, Olympus Mons was built by the multitude of lava flows that cascaded down its sloped surface over billions of years. Number 4. Did you know that lightning strikes the Earth around 100 times per second? Lightning is a natural phenomenon that occurs when there is a buildup of electrical charge in the atmosphere. It's estimated that lightning strikes the Earth around 100 times per second, which equates to around 8 million strikes per day. Lightning is an electrical discharge caused by imbalances between storm clouds and the ground. When a bolt of lightning strikes, it can reach temperatures of up to 30,000 degrees Celsius, which is 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. Number 5. Using the Milky Way as our model, we can multiply the number of stars in a typical galaxy, 100 billion, by the number of galaxies in the universe, 2 trillion. The answer is an absolutely astounding number. There are approximately 200 billion trillion stars in the universe. Or, to put it another way, 200 sextillion. Number 6. Did you know that the longest word in the English language is over 189,000 letters long? The longest word in the English language is the chemical name for the protein titin, which is 189,819 letters long. It would take hours to pronounce, and it's not even included in most dictionaries. The word is too long to be pronounced in full, and it would take over 3.5 hours to say it aloud. The word is made up of a combination of amino acids, which are the building blocks of proteins. The full name of the protein is titin, but the chemical name is much longer because it describes the complete sequence of amino acids that make up the protein. Number 7. The length of the Great Wall is 13,000 miles. About 1.5 times the distance from Los Angeles to Singapore, currently one of the longest flights in the world. Walking the full distance would take you approximately 17 months. Number 8. Did you know that the world's oldest piece of chewing gum is over 9,000 years old? The world's oldest piece of chewing gum is a piece of birch bark that was found in Finland and is over 9,000 years old. Ancient people used the tar for many purposes, including as a chewing gum to help clean their teeth. Chewing gum has been used for centuries in various cultures for medicinal and hygienic purposes. In ancient times, people would chew on resin from trees or plants which could help clean their teeth, freshen their breath, and relieve stress. Give a quick thumbs up, or if you want to give a digital hand press the thanks button, which is somewhere below the video, and let's get cracking. Number 9. Did you know that the smallest bird in the world is the bee hummingbird? The bee hummingbird is found in Cuba and is only about 2 inches long. Its small size makes it a unique species, and its incredible speed and agility in flight make it a wonder to watch. In addition to being the smallest bird in the world, the bee hummingbird is also the only bird that can hover in place, and its wings beat at an incredible rate of 80 times per second. Despite its tiny size, it can fly up to 30 miles per hour. Number 10. Did you know that the Great Barrier Reef is visible from space? The Great Barrier Reef is one of the largest living structures on Earth, and it's so massive that it can be seen from space. This natural wonder is home to a diverse range of marine life, including thousands of different species of fish, turtles, and whales. The Great Barrier Reef is so large that it's made up of over 2,900 individual reefs and 900 islands covering an area of over 133 square miles. It's home to more than 1,500 species of fish, 600 types of coral, and thousands of other marine species. Number 11. Did you know tulips were once more valuable than gold? According to horticulture educator Martha Smith from the University of Illinois Urbana-Champaign, in a 2011 article, tulips held a value surpassing that of gold in the 1620s. The exorbitant price tag attached to these particular plants can be attributed to their status as an exclusive luxury during that era. Smith expounds that initially, tulips were a rarity only accessible to the affluent elite. Number 12. Did you note that the largest living organism on Earth is a fungus? The largest living organism on Earth is a honey fungus that spans over 2.4 miles in Oregon. This massive fungus is estimated to be over 2,400 years old and is still growing today. The honey fungus grows underground and feeds on the roots of trees. It's estimated to weigh around 600 tons. Number 13. Did you know that a group of flamingos is called a flamboyance? A flamboyance of flamingos is a term used to describe a group of these pink-feathered birds when they are together in their natural habitat. It's quite a sight to see a flamboyance of flamingos, as they can number in the hundreds or even thousands. Flamingos are born with gray feathers and turn pink due to their diet of brine shrimp and blue-green algae. In addition to their striking coloration, they're known for their unique feeding behavior, which involves filtering what through their beaks to capture small aquatic organisms. Number 14. Did you know that a group of hedgehogs is called a prickle? Hedgehogs are small, spiny creatures that are native to Europe, Asia, and Africa. When they are together in a group, they are called a prickle, which is an apt name considering their spiky appearance. They are known for their spiky appearance, which serves as a defense mechanism against predators in addition to their sharp spikes. Hedgehogs are also adept at swimming, climbing, and burrowing. They can swim up to half a mile and climb walls or fences up to 6 feet high. Hedgehogs are solitary animals, but may form a prickle when they come together for breeding purposes or to hibernate during the winter. During hibernation, hedgehogs' body temperature drops and their heart rate slows down to conserve energy. They can survive for several months without eating or drinking. Number 15. Did you know that a giraffe's neck has the same number of vertebrae as a human's? Despite their long necks, giraffes actually have the same number of vertebrae in their necks as humans do. The difference is that the giraffe's vertebrae are much longer than ours, allowing them to reach high branches for food. Giraffes have other adaptations that allow them to survive in their natural habitat, including a long tongue that can extend up to 18 inches to reach leaves on tall trees, and a heart that weighs up to 25 pounds to pump blood up their long necks. And there you have it, folks. 15 mind-blowing facts that left us all in awe. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to FactFrenzy for more mind-bending content like this. Until next time, stay curious.